We'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Ganex 1200. Okay. So guys, this is Ganex 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend meal card trading indicator. Just like you guys have known, it is a custom made indicator. Okay. So guys, these actually went on uptrend after getting to this support region, and it of course broke out from this resistance zone and got to a new resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from this new resistance zone, so it's trying to go back into a downtrend. Okay, so once we get the full downtrend signal, then definitely it means that it's going to sell more. Okay, and of course we expect it to get back to this region, and if it breaks out from here, then it means that it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it's going to buy more. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Ganex 999. This has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Of course, we are having major pullbacks in between, but it's still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, then we are most likely to to go back into a downtrend right from there. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, now let's move on to Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. I love these guys. I love these. Okay, this actually gave us the M vibes, and of course it's the big picture, and of course it's sold for a very long time. So if you're having this indicator, I'm very sure you should have moved this particular asset right from here till it got to this particular support zone. Okay, if it breaks out from here, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from that support region. Okay, now the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. It has also been on downtrend for a while. In short, for like 2 to 3 days now, it had been on downtrend, broke out from somewhere here, and of course, it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, then the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This actually went on uptrend and sold after getting to this resistance zone. It sold for a while but couldn't break out below this support zone, so it went back on uptrend again. And of course, guys, if it breaks out above this resistance region, then definitely it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it should go back on downtrend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come, it is still buying, rather, sorry. For now it is still buying. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account, and you can also join my Telegram channel so that you can have access to some free signals down there. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.